Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And today I just have two quick Loft purchases to share with you. And unfortunately both I think I'm going to return. So there's a little story that goes with this. This jacket I had my eye on when it first came out. It was $160. And I said, it's gonna go on sale. It's always gonna be part of a sale. I'm gonna get this jacket. It looked like this bright, vibrant yellow online, like a golden yellow, sunshine yellow. And it sold out before I could even get it. So I put it on my Pinterest board because it was something that I was interested in. And recently my friend says to me, did you ever get that jacket? I said, no, it's sold out before I can get it. Well, guess what? I went on Pinterest, clicked the link, it was back in stock. So it was during a 50% off sale. This jacket, I believe, is originally like $160, and I got it for $82. I'm returning it because the color that you see here is not representative of what the color is online. So it is more of a mustard yellow, very fallish. Online, it looked like a sunshiny yellow. Even my friend says, that doesn't look like a fall jacket. It looks like something you would wear in the spring. Why are you getting it now? And I totally agree. Online, that's the color. In person, it's not the same color. And I'm not a huge fan of mustard. And I'm just thinking about it. I'd rather pay my $80 to something I absolutely love. And it's just not, I'm not in love with it. Maybe I'm just a Debbie Downer today. I don't know what the heck is going on with me. I didn't like my Wantable blacks. I'm not liking this. But for $82, it's just not sparking that kind of joy and excitement. And the color is obviously a limited color. And obviously I could wear it in the spring, but it is definitely more of a mustard orange if you're interested in it. It's the Tweed Fringe jacket. It's that Chanel inspired style. It has little patch pockets here in the front. It has hook and eye closure. I was hemming and hawing what size to get. I got an extra small. I did not get a petite in this, and I think that was perfect. I think if I got a petite, it would have been too small. I feel that this is the perfect size for me. Yeah, so this is going back. Give me a minute, I'll try on the next piece, but I know it's going back too because it's just a plain ivory sweater and I purchased it to get the free shipping with this jacket. Give me a minute. Okay, next up is this sweater. I'll be honest with you, I purchased this sweater just to get the free shipping and I had intentions of sending it back to start with. However, now that I have it on, I wouldn't keep it anyway. It is extremely thin. Again, I got this on sale. It was $32. I don't even think this is worth $32. It is, I think, 68% rayon and, let's see, 68% rayon, 32% polyester. It is super thin. I think you can even see through it, and you can also see my rolls because it's so thin, and you see all this back here. So thin and I guess light colored. Like if it were a darker color, it might not be as noticeable, but because it's a light color and thin, it's just, yeah, no. But what things I do like about it and why I did order it, it has this nice scoop neck here, and it has these cute little cuffs with the faux pearls here on the sleeves. So I do like that about it, and I generally do like these tight fitting shirts, but this is just too thin for me. So yeah, this is going back. If it was something that fit me absolutely great and was a really great quality for $32, I might have considered keeping it, but again, this is not doing it for me. And that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what not? What's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up or possibly a thumbs down because I'm a Debbie Downer. Take care. Until next time.